everyone, I'm Dr. Chito, and today we'll be discussing about laser hair reduction and how we can wave undesirable body hair by. Now, what is laser? Laser, which is actually an acronym for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation, has been used in the aesthetic field widely for decades and is very, very known in the reduction of hair growth. There are different laser devices for hair reduction out there in the market. However, today we'll be focusing on the current best available anywhere for hair reduction in skin of color. And this is the long pulsed 1064 ndYAG laser. Now, how does laser work? When this laser beam passes over your skin, the heat from the energy source causes destruction of the hair follicles that are in the energy phase, and this is the phase where your hair strands are rapidly dividing. Medically, in one word, it's called photothermolysis. Now, because the laser energy destroys the hair follicles that are only in the energy phase, multiple sessions are required for you to get significant and long-term reduction in hair growth. The ideal candidates to use the ndYAG laser would be a person with fair skin and dark hair. This is because when the laser goes over the skin, it's attracted to melanin, and dark hair contains more melanin with fair skin which contains less melanin, and so the laser is directed specifically to the hair strand in the hair follicle. Now, because of this contrast that needs to exist for the ndYAG laser to be highly effective, it would mean that people with fair skin and also fair hair would not get as much effectiveness treating with the laser machine, that is the ndYAG machine. Now, I'm sure you would like to know how many sessions and how regularly you would need to come in for your laser. Industry standards state that you would need between 6 to 10 sessions of laser every 4 to 6 weeks for some parts of the body, or 6 to 8 weeks for other parts of the body. Now, this is the first set of treatments you would need. After this, you would need to maintain your results by coming between once to twice every year, and that would be it. Now, it's important to note that some people may not get the required or the expected results following laser treatment, and there are reasons. First would be with those having some hormonal interference. Example, in females diagnosed with hyperandrogenism or polycystic ovarian syndrome, where they have excessive circulating androgens, meaning they would have hair on their chin, on various parts of their body that typically only men should have hair. These people would require slightly more sessions than what I have just stated and would need to come in more times to maintain their results. Secondly, would be those with familial hypertrichosis. What that means is people who naturally just have more hair than the regular person next door. These people would also need to come in more times than within the industry standard stated before. Now, there are some people who will not be recommended to take laser treatments for hair reduction. Firstly, will be those who are pregnant and those who are lactating mothers. And this is because there will be excessive circulating hormones which would make them produce more body hair than usual. So it would be advisable to just wait till after breastfeeding for you to commence your laser treatments. Next would be those who are currently or have taken within the last 6 months oral isotretinoin. Thirdly would be those who have an infection on the area they would like to be lased. These people would have to wait for the affected areas to heal before commencing their laser treatments. Now let's go into the side effects that are expected following laser treatments. The first would be red bumps seen around the hair follicles. Now this is normal and expected, and it's your body's way of responding to the heat that the skin has been exposed to. Now here in Skin 101, we try to reduce the side effects to the barest minimum by turning on the cooling tip that is with this laser machine. This helps to cool down the surface of your skin during the treatment. We also have a cooling device which directs cool air to your skin before, during, and after the treatment. And this would help us make sure that your skin doesn't develop these red bumps I just spoke about. Other side effects include crusting, irritation, superficial burns, or blisters. Now there is so much more information you would need concerning laser hair treatments. You can call in to schedule an appointment and speak to one of our doctors or estheticians who would be willing to address such concerns. Till next time, it's bye from here.